An international team of scientists made a stunning discovery. Buried beneath a nearly kilometer of ice which is located in a distant area of Greenland, a massive impact crater was found. Hello and welcome to our channel. The crater is 300 meters deep, 31 kilometers wide. It is much bigger than Washington, D.C., and also bigger than Paris. Based on study, it might be one of the youngest large impact craters, which is found on Earth. The persistent spread of Greenland ice sheet has covered the crater, hiding it from view for thousands if not hundreds of thousands of years. According to the scientists, it was essentially hiding in plain sight. What finally revealed its presence? It all started with a rock, a map, and the connection made by the scientists at the Natural History Museum in Copenhagen. Every day, the scientists there pass by a large iron meteorite which was found in Greenland decades ago. One day they acquired a new map, a bedrock topography, beneath the ice sheet, which is mostly based on ice-penetrating radar data collected on board NASA's P-3 aircraft over 2 decades. This map gets more refined all the time, however there are still areas which are open to interpretation, including the conspicuously semicircular edge of the ice sheet drained by the Hiawatha Glacier. The data have showed a circular depression in the bedrock, near the region where the quadrangle meteorite was found. In May 2016, a German research plane Polar 6 was sent by the team. It flew over the Hiawatha Glacier carrying a new powerful ice-penetrating radar. Radar waves travels through the ice measuring its thickness and its internal structure. By studying the data gathered by the Polar 6, the scientists were able to determine the unmistakably bowl shape and central peaks beneath the Hiawatha Glacier. They also found that the oldest ice in the crater is actually quite young. Compare that to the ice in the area by Greenland standards. And also it has experienced a great disturbance in its flow towards the end of the last ice age. For further studies, the team visited the area of impact on foot, and they found out that the grains of mineral quartz from the sediments deposited by a river have showed signs of being physically shocked. Models suggest that the asteroid is more than a kilometer wide. This crater in Hiawatha is now one of the 25 largest known impact craters on Earth, and it is the first that was found under our planet's ice sheet. Well, despite being hidden in ice, the Hiawatha impact crater still looks like an impact crater that seems to be rapidly eroding. Geologically speaking, the data as a whole suggests that this impact crater is quite young. But it's not yet known exactly when the asteroid rushed towards the Earth and entered the atmosphere, smashing our planet's crust in northwestern Greenland. It was likely less than 3 million years ago. However, scientists are still doing further research to determine exactly when it happened, and it may have happened around the time of the last ice age. 12 to 115,000 years ago. The impact could also have occurred when Greenland was already covered on ice, and it would have instantly vaporized billions of tons of ice and rerouted the flow of ice and water into the ocean. Whenever this impact happened, life at that time on Earth would have been seriously affected. An impact of this size may not likely happen again soon. But the findings in Greenland tells us that it might have happened not so long ago in our planet's history, is very important in assessing the possible risks in the future. This is just the first study of the Hiawatha impact crater. It still remains to be discovered what secrets this impact crater in Hiawatha will soon reveal. And that's it for today's video. Let us know about your thoughts on the Hiawatha impact crater in the comment section below. This is 4-minute video. Have a great one.